Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to get Afterpay virtual card number. It's important to understand how Afterpay's virtual card functionality works. It is designed primarily for the in-store purchases using digital wallets, and access to the full card number is handled with security in mind. Here's a breakdown. The Afterpay card is designed to be used within digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. This means you primarily access and use it through the wallet apps on your smartphone. For security reasons, Afterpay and digital wallets often obscure the full card number. This helps protect your financial information. So to access it, download and set it up. Ensure you have the latest version of the Afterpay app. Set up the Afterpay card within the app. This typically involves going to the in-store section of the app. Follow the prompt to add the card to your digital wallet. And after, when at a physical store, open your digital wallet on your phone. Then, select your Afterpay card. Use the Tap to Pay functionality to complete your purchase. While the full card number might not be ready displayed, you may be able to see the last 4 digits within your digital wallet app. To find the last 4 digits of the card, you will open your Afterpay wallet or Google Wallet and select the Afterpay card. It's as simple as that. For online purchases with Afterpay, you typically select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout point or checkout. You don't usually need the virtual card number for online transaction. Afterpay has introduced Afterpay Plus, which expands the location that Afterpay can be used. This upgrade is handled within the Afterpay application and will update your virtual card within your digital wallet. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more.